Hello, I'm the dolphin. What's up? I'm the sea turtle. Wow, we're both marine tetrapods. Well, as interview host, I'm gonna ask you some questions. Is that alright? Yeah, it's alright. Alright. My first question to you is, what does it mean to be a marine tetrapod? Well, dolphin, to be a marine tetrapod means to be a four-limbed vertebrate that has adapted to living in water. This group can include a diverse range of creatures such as whales, dolphins such as yourself, sea lions, seals, walruses, and even sea turtles, just like me. On the other hand, marine tetrapods have evolved a number of adaptations that allow them to survive and thrive in most aquatic environments. Adaptations include streamlined body shape for efficient swimming, flippers for propulsion and steering, and even specialized respiratory systems that allow them to breathe while underwater. They are also able to regulate their body temperature. That's insane. Either through internal mechanisms or through behavior such as basking in the sun. That sounds very humanly. Some species are able to dive incredible depths and stay underwater for extended periods of time. That's great. On to my next question. Can you explain the major characteristics of your class? Yeah. Sea turtles belong to the class Reptilia, which includes all and every reptile. Some of the major characteristics include scales. Us reptiles have scales made of keratin, which protect our skin and prevent water loss. Sea turtles, like myself, have hard bony shells that are made up of over 50 bones and covered with scutes. These are just modified scales. We also have lungs. This is opposite of amphibians, which they breathe through their skin. We have lungs to breathe air. Sea turtles are air-breathing reptiles and need to come to the surface of water to breathe. Yeah, sounds about right. Wow, can you tell me some more? Yes. Reptiles are also ectothermic. This means they rely on external sources of heat to regulate their body temperatures. Sea turtles, like myself, are also cold-blooded animals and bask in the sun to warm up their bodies. Wow. On to my next question. Can you explain at least two interspecies relationship that you as a sea turtle have? Yes, sea turtles have various interspecies relationships in our ecosystem, and I'm going to give you two right now. One of them is mutualism. This is with remoras. Remoras are the fish that often attach themselves to larger animals. These can be seen on sharks and sea turtles. They feed on the scraps left over from the animal's meals. In the case of sea turtles, remoras attach themselves to the turtle's shell and benefit from the turtle's movements to help them find food. In return, the remoras may be able to keep the turtle shell clean by eating parasites and other organisms that may attach themselves to it. That's just one. On to my second one is predation. This is by birds and mammals. Sea turtles are often preyed upon by birds such as gulls, pelicans, as well as mammals such as raccoons and foxes. These are able to go across turtle nests on land. The predators may feed on turtle eggs or little hatchlings, which can have a significant impact on turtle population. In some cases, other predators such as sharks may also prey on adult sea turtles. This relationship is an example of predation where one species benefits by killing and consuming another species, like a sea turtle. Wow, I did not even know that. Now can you explain your habitat and some challenges that come with living there? And how you have suited to the environment? Yes, sea turtles are found in a wide range of marine habitats. These include oceans, seas, and coastal areas. They're typically found in warm tropical and subtropical waters, but some species can also be found in the colder regions. The challenges that come with living in a marine habitat include the need to breathe air while spending most of their lives in water. This also comes with avoiding predators and finding food to feast on. Sea turtles can overcome these challenges through a range of adaptations that make them well suited to their environment. One of the key and most important adaptations that sea turtles have is their ability to hold air in their breath for long periods of time. This is achieved through special respiratory systems, which allow sea turtles to store oxygen in their muscles and tissues. This adaptation enables them to spend long periods of time underwater while still being able to breathe air when they surface. Another adaptation that's very important to them is their shell. This provides protection from predators and helps them to regulate their body temperature. The shell also allows the sea turtles to spend long times underwater without becoming waterlogged, as they can regulate the amount of water that enters their body. Wow, that was some real knowledge. Now, can you please describe some of the problems you have with humans, their effects, and how they can help? Why, yes. Sea turtles face a number of challenges due to human activities which can have long and serious impacts on their survival. Some of these include habitat loss, plastic pollution, and even climate change. With habitat loss, human development and destruction of natural habitats like beaches and coral reefs can make it difficult for these sea turtles to nest and feed. With pollution, sea turtles often mistake plastic debris for food, which can cause blockages in their digestive system, leading to injuries and even death. With the climate change issue, rising temperatures and rising sea levels can affect the nesting and feeding patterns of sea turtles, making it way more difficult for them to survive. Another problem is overfishing. Overfishing of sea turtles' prey can cause them to starve, which can ultimately lead to their decline. It's crazy how this affects a whole population. To help, we can take a number of actions. A few are reducing the plastic use. By reducing your plastic use, such as straws, bags, and even water bottles, you can help reduce the amount of plastic debris in the ocean that sea turtles and other marine animals can ingest. To support conservation efforts, supporting organizations can be your first step. These work to protect sea turtle habitats, conduct research, and even educate the public on how to protect my species. Well, basically, that concludes our interview. Oh my freaking beep. Is that a shark? Why, yes, I think it is a shark. Oh no, what type of shark are you? Oh, I'm a whale shark. Oh, you're a whale shark. Well, that's not that much of a threat. Whale sharks and sea turtles can actually coexist peacefully in some situations, and some examples include the whale shark. You guys are filter feeders and do not prey on other animals, including myself, a sea turtle. In fact, sea turtles and whale sharks may sometimes be seen swimming together in the wild, just like we are now. Wow, I didn't even know that. But if I was a great white, would it have been different? Yeah, it would have. I would have considered you as a predator, and you might have eaten me. But thank God you're not, right? Right. Alright, I think that concludes our interview. You think so? Yeah. Alright, peace out.